Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing good. Just a quick reminder before we start. Make sure to check the description after watching this video. I put useful links, tools and the latest update there. If anything changes or a new feature comes out, I will update in the description. So don't forget to take a look when you are done to watching this video. Now let's talk about how you can get more people to click on your videos using VidIQ thumbnails and title tools. Okay, so you made a good video. The content is helpful, your voice is clear, the editing is nice, but still the views are low. Why? Most of the time it's because people are not clicking on your video. And that's where CTR comes in. It means click-through rate. It's how many people actually click on your video after seeing it. VidIQ has some tools that help a lot with this. Let's start with title suggestion. To use that feature, just make sure you have added the VidIQ tools to your Google Chrome extension. Okay, our VidIQ is already added. Now upload a video. When you upload a video, VidIQ shows you keyword ideas and title suggestion that are people actually searching for. So instead of writing a random title, you can use those keywords and make it more searchable. Now let's talk about thumbnails. We all know the thumbnail is super important. People see it first. If the thumbnail looks boring or confusing, people wouldn't click. VidIQ gives you a tool that compares your thumbnail with other thumbnails that are already ranking for that topic. So you can see if yours stands out or not. Sometimes we think our thumbnail looks good, but when we compare it with other popular videos, we realize it's too dark or the text is too small. VidIQ helps you to see that clearly. It shows you what's working on top videos and what's not. Now here is something else. If you have the paid plan, VidIQ gives you CTR performance. It tells you if your title and thumbnails are weak, okay or strong. It also gives you ideas on how to improve it. What I like to do is I look at the top 5 videos or keyword I am targeting. So even a small changes can help your channel to grow. So when you use VidIQ together with your own idea, it really helps. You can stop guessing and start testing. And when more people click your video, YouTube will push it for more other people. That's how you grow faster. If your views are low, maybe it's not your content, maybe it's just your thumbnail and title. Use VidIQ tools to improve them and watch that happens. I have added the link to VidIQ in the description and try for free version and test it on your next video. And don't forget to subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.